Welcome to unemployment. Unemployment is generally used to describe someone who does not have a job, but there are some nuances that we'll go over. Now you might be wondering, what are the types of unemployment?
It's not you, it's me. I have to leave this job so I can find something better for my future. I'm sorry.
No, come back.
Frictional unemployment describes someone who is unemployed because of a transition in their life. For example, they're quitting one job to find a better job. Structural unemployment is due to a shift in the economy. There's usually a mismatch between an employee's skills and the employer's needs. For example, this can include when automation takes over the job of a human because it performs the job more efficiently.
So, Mr. Ronil, unfortunately, Taylor Swift isn't making albums fast enough, so the economy kind of dropped, so you're fired.
Cyclical unemployment is caused by a downturn in the economy. In this case, the downturn in the economy is due to a lack of Taylor Swift albums. When the economy goes bad, oftentimes people are laid off. Time for some calculation. Our first variables are U for unemployed people and E for employed people. Introducing the labor force. This includes anyone 16 or older, people who hold a job or are self-employed, people in the military, and people unemployed but looking for a job. It doesn't include discouraged workers, which are people who have given up looking for a job, people in school, people in jail or mental institutions, and retired individuals.
The labor force is equal to the number of unemployed people plus the number of employed people.
POP is the total population over the age of 16. Next up is the labor force participation rate, which looks at how many people are working out of how many people could be working.
The labor force participation rate is equal to the labor force divided by the total population above 16 times 100.
Our last variable is the unemployment rate.
The unemployment rate equals the number of unemployed people divided by the labor force times 100.
The natural unemployment rate is equal to the frictional plus the structural unemployment rates. The cyclical unemployment rate is equal to the actual minus the natural unemployment rates. The unemployment rate is not completely accurate because it tends to count underemployed workers while not counting discouraged workers or those who have been unemployed for more than 27 weeks.
Unfortunately, this man has been unemployed for more than 27 weeks, so he is not counted in the unemployment rate.